Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we have x square plus 2x plus 4 that is equal to 0. Oh my god, it's x power 4 over 4 plus 8 over x minus 3. The problem here might be looking very hard, but after doing you'll feel very easy. Now let's solve it. Here we'll have to go x power 4. Now let's keep x square in the left hand side and the remaining terms in the right hand side. Now look at here, we'll keep x square in the left hand side. So x square will be negative 2x minus 4. So from the right hand side now we can take negative 2 common. So it will be x plus 2, right? We have taken negative common, so here it will be plus. So it is the value of x square. Now we'll divide both the sides by 2. So in the right hand side we'll divide by 2. Also in the left hand side we'll divide by 2. So here 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Now for making it x power 4, let's square both the sides. So in the left hand side we have x square by 2 and we'll square it. And in the right hand side we have negative x plus 2 in the bracket. So we'll have to square the right hand side also. Now x square and its square will be x power 4 and 2 square is 4, and that is equal to, here negative square will be positive, so it is a plus b whole square. So it is x square plus 2 square is 4 plus, now 2 times ab will be 4x, right? Now here we have calculated the value of x power 4 over 4. So in place of x square we can write negative 2x minus 4. So it is negative 2x negative 4, and the remaining terms here is plus 4 plus 4x. So here negative 4 and positive 4 will be cancelled, and here it is negative 2x plus 4x will be plus 2x. So we have calculated the value of x power 4 over 4. It is 2x. So we have made the expression very simpler. So we have calculated x power 4 over 4. It is plus 2x. So we can write it as, in place of this is plus 2x plus, here it is 8 over x and negative 3. Now for making the conclusion, we can take 2 from these two. Means from these two we'll take 2 common. So the remaining here will be x plus, here 8 by 2 is 4 over x, and we have negative 3. Now we'll find the value of x plus 4 over x. Now look at the first expressions. From here we can write it is x square plus 4, and we'll take this 2x in the right hand side, so it will be equal to negative 2x. Now in both the side we'll divide by x. So if we'll divide by x, here x and x will be cancelled. Now it is x square over x is x, and here it is 4 over x. So we have got the value of x plus 4 over x, and that will be negative 2, right? So here we have calculated this value. Now again we'll substitute x plus 4 over x. So we have 2 multiplied by the value of this term is negative 2. So it is negative 2 minus 3. Now simplifying this, 2 multiplied negative 2 is negative 4 and negative 3. So it is negative 7. So value of this expression we have calculated is negative 7, and this is our answer of this problem. So friend, before you leave, please give a thumbs up to the video. Thank you for watching the video.